Unboxing Hitbot ERG20C. Open the package box. The certificate of conformity is attached to the right side of the top cover. There is a warranty card and a ERG20C rotary gripper. Wiring preparation. A 24 volts power supply. A 485 USB connection module. A Phillips screwdriver. Note: keep the power off during the wiring process. Among the connecting wires, choose red, black, yellow, white. Connect the black and red wire to the power supply. Connect the black wire to the negative pole, and the red one to the positive pole. Connect the yellow and white to the 485 module. Connect the yellow wire to the positive pole of the module, and the yellow-white wire to the negative pole. Attention, it's yellow-white to color wire. Then connect the USB interface of the 485 module to computer. After connecting, the 485 module will light up in red. Finally, connect the 222-volt power socket to power the electric gripper. The power indicator will light up in green. The fan rotates, and the gripper is initialized and is in the boot state. Open the software of gripper. Click Device Connection. A dialog will pop up. Select parameters as requirements. Click to open the serial port. After connecting, click Initialize. Enter the required rotation angle. The gripper will operate according to the set parameters. Drag the button of clamping position. The gripper will open and close accordingly.